Alright guys, what's up? New video here. I was driving last time and I noticed that there was a ticking sound coming from the car. Never really thought much of it. Then I was passing by a mechanic and asked him what was the sound. First thing the guy said, your engine needs a rebuild and everything and all this stuff. So okay, went home, said I'll do it later. This morning I decided to come and check the dipstick if there was any oil in the car. Okay, find out there was no oil. Lesson learned. Check the oil level on your car from time to time, okay? And I could have blown my engine, thanks God. Very easy, went bought 4 liters of oil just to put it in the engine. Sound is gone, it ran like a charm now. Alright, so yeah, took me 10 minutes maximum to do the whole thing. Alright, and now I will head up to the garage and then do a proper oil change and everything. I just realized it's been 7 months since I did it. Oh my God, crazy, yeah? Alright guys, see you on the next one. Take care.